Hi viewers, welcome to EQC Group YouTube channel.
Kindly subscribe our channel to get regular price updates of agri commodities, spices and vegetables in major parts of India. Now we are going to see Areca nut wholesale price in major parts of India. Kindly share this video to your friends and farmers. Now we are going to see Areca nut price in Karnataka. Marketplace Mangalore Areca nut arrival 54,400 kg. Coca variety minimum price 350 rupees and maximum price 400 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Kundapura Areca nut arrival 1,700 kg. Ripe variety minimum price 350 rupees and maximum price 400 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Karkala Areca nut arrival 300 kg. New variety minimum price 360 rupees and maximum price 400 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Channagiri Areca nut arrival 46,800 kg. Minimum price 418 rupees 99 paise and maximum price 430 rupees 49 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Siddhapur Areca nut arrival 5,200 kg. Minimum price 216 rupees 99 paise and maximum price 322 rupees 21 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Siddhapur onion arrival 20,000 kg. Minimum price 348 rupees 49 paise and maximum price 377 rupees and 39 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Siddhapur Areca nut arrival 2,800 kg. Minimum price 250 rupees 12 paise. Maximum price 301 rupee 89 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Siddhapur Areca nut arrival 300 kg. Minimum price 210 rupees 89 paise and maximum price 297 rupees 9 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Siddhapur Areca nut arrival 1,600 kg. Minimum price 377 rupees 69 paise. Maximum price 413 rupees and 9 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Siddhapur Areca nut arrival 400 kg. Minimum price 310 rupees 89 paise. Maximum price 398 rupees 19 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Yellapur Areca nut arrival 200 kg. Minimum price 250 rupees 50 paise and maximum price 306 rupees 40 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Yellapur Areca nut arrival 8,400 kg. Minimum price 313 rupees 88 paise. Maximum price 374 rupees 30 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Yellapur Areca nut arrival 600 kg. Minimum price 374 rupees 10 paise. Maximum price 414 rupees 40 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Yellapur Areca nut arrival 100 kg. Minimum rupees 296 rupees 10 paise. Maximum price 354 rupees 80 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Bantiwala Areca nut arrival 3,200 kg. Cocoa variety minimum price 100 rupees and maximum price 225 rupees per 1 kg. New variety minimum price 235 rupees and maximum price 400 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Puttur Areca nut arrival 23,200 kg. Cocoa variety minimum price 95 rupees and maximum price 240 rupees per 1 kg. New variety minimum price 280 rupees and maximum price 400 rupees per 1 kg. If this video is useful, kindly like and share to everyone. If you have any doubt, kindly comment below this video. Kindly support and subscribe our channel.
Thank you for watching.